Guys, we are on day 2 of staying at staying at the artist house. We're still amazed that we're actually inside, and something really cool is happening.
Yes, but also we had no sleep.
No. But what's really cool, I don't know if you know this yet, nobody's in the house but us.
As of now?
As of now. And we get to go look at all the rooms.
All of them? She said all of them?
All the rooms. But she
We're in
has
the turret room, so.
Right. But she is having somebody check in. But we don't know when they're going to get here. So we have to rush and go check out this one room. But it's super cool.
So it's in the second floor where we're at. Are we going to the first floor first?
We need to go check out Anne's suite first.
Let's go.
But public service announcement from Echo Travel Adventures. If you're new here, hello, hi, and
welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. We look horrible, as we said, because we have not slept at all.
No.
If you're new, we said hello, subscribe, share with your family and friends. I told you I'm just out of it.
But really important too, hit that bell notification so you get notified when we do post videos, because that's super important.
Keep commenting. We love seeing those. Like all the videos. Hang out with your fellow fan band members. Get a conversation going on some of the videos of what you like, you don't like, things like that.
But yeah, this is the second part for us to do here at the artist house. So
Let's
we
go
hope you
see
enjoy this
more
part.
of it.
So first, we were too late.
As we were walking out,
They
and
were
you're walking in.
But we're here at the morning room.
So it's right next to the chart room, and it's upstairs.
Yes.
Look
at this room. Oh, we should close the bathroom. That's okay.
It's okay.
Guys. Wow. I mean.
So this is the same that it looks in our room. So this was the doorway.
So yeah, this room and our room that we're staying in, this was adjoining rooms. It was one massive room.
I just really like how they did like the mosaics and stuff on here, but I like, you know what I mean?
I do.
Wow. Look at it. They have a tub. That's a shower.
Wow.
And then let's go outside.
Amber's whispering.
I know, because I don't want to disturb anybody.
Wow.
Okay, so that's the backyard.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But
That's pretty cool.
I like that table. It's kind of cool.
It's different. So it's like it's a little smaller version of it, but it's adorable.
It's actually a good shot at the bathroom. Right here. It's pretty nice. Are you taking pictures?
I just remembered to.
Yeah, guys, this is a nice room. I really like it a lot.
It's cool.
Alright, we're headed up to the sunroom.
But you also have the backyard area.
So to get here, you actually have to come through the house, outside.
To come up.
To come up the stairs. So here we go.
She said to be careful of that step.
Ooh, and these stairs are no joke.
Oh no, you'll get your steps in. Especially with like luggage. Holy cow.
Wow.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can smell the fresh paint. But look at this, guys. This bathroom is really, really cool.
Wow. I like how it's decorated.
And here it is.
Oh.
I think Amber just fell in love with that bed frame.
I just love this whole thing.
Look at that. That just would match the bed or the chair in our room.
Yeah. It's really cool the way it's decorated.
It is. Now, is that a closet behind you?
No.
Oh.
I wonder. So this was added on, and it had to have been added on.
Yeah. I really like it though. I think it'd be really hard to get to sleep in. But
Because of the noise?
well, no. Just because it gets so bright in here.
Yeah, but it's also because of the paint color too, probably.
Yeah.
But I mean,
But-
you have a nice. I mean, it's not too bad of a view.
No, it's really nice. It's a nice house.
I
Or
do like the way it's
Nice
decorated.
room. They call it the sunroom. And can you tell? You get a lot of sun.
Wow. It's pretty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be nosy. No,
No touchy.
I don't want to break it.
Alright, so now we're going to go check out the other rooms.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. So we are just popping in here real quick
Parlor suite.
into the parlor suite. We don't have our mic, so we really apologize for the sound quality on this. But we wanted to jump in here real quick and show everybody what this place looks like.
It's a little bit dark.
It is.
Oh, wow.
It's nice. It's like a king bed.
Can you switch your spots?
And then here's the bathroom.
They say this is one of the most haunted rooms. Yeah.
And this is the view from over here. So, this is a parlor suite, guys. This is an amazing room.
It's kind of like ours.
It is. You know,
Can you see it okay? Or is it too...
no, it's good.
Ooh, look at the fan.
Oh, yeah, that fan's nice.
King
Focus.
Or king post bed.
Yeah.
Like that Sugar Ray song.
Hey, you know, before we head out of here, let's give a big shout out to Jessica and Carlos on their decorating skills.
Like, it looks really cool. And for letting us go into rooms
Yeah.
because they're cool like that.
Oh yeah.
So we get to investigate this too.
Yeah. It's gonna be exciting.
Yay! So we found another door unlocked.
This is the garden library.
They're pushing. Wow.
Wow. This is a beauty. And look at this old Victorian
I
light
like
switch.
the light switches. Wow. Like, I thought there would be like, okay, I thought there was gonna be like stuffy, like no room, but there's so much room.
I know. You know, it's funny. When we think of like my grandparents' house and your grandparents' house, about how lack of space there is in those bedrooms and how tiny they were.
Whoa. Whoa.
Guys, this bathroom, look at that. Now, Carlos did tell us that there's nothing, it's period pieces, but nothing is original.
Or the paintings.
Right. Oh, wow. Sprinklers just went off. Be careful.
Yeah.
So, you have a nice little balcony. It's really nice, guys. But think about this house was built back in 1890s.
Look how beautiful.
I think between 1890 and 1898.
Some renovations.
And with some modernization, this place is really, really nice.
Okay, I got it. It's almost stuck. You gotta put some elbow grease in it.
So, one thing too, guys,
These sheets are so cool.
I want to say that this was probably secondary wall.
It's like a door.
It was probably a pass-through, and they just closed it out for rooms.
True, because it seemed like this whole house, you could just walk through the door.
Yeah.
But like, it is huge for back in the day.
I mean,
Like huge now.
this is bigger than bedrooms that we have. This is bigger than our master bedroom at our apartment complex or
Or
our townhome.
Disney Hotel.
Yeah.
Or Universal Hotel. It's probably just. Look at, I love this.
All right, this is Eugene's Studio.
Another door unlocked.
Another push.
Ooh, it's warm in here. Damn. 79 degrees.
Wow.
Who keeps?
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
I like our room, but I think this is probably the nicest room in the.
No.
You don't think so?
Mm-mm. Nope.
I did say I like our room.
No.
Wow, guys. This is a picture of what it would have looked like when Gene Otto was living. Wow. Nice view of the cistern out there.
That's cool.
Wow. Did you see this?
Yeah, that was really cool. Look at. How am I gonna get George?
Wow.
Wow, Jessica's awesome.
So again, a big shout out to Jessica
And Carlos.
and Carlos and his whole entire staff.
Everybody's so freaking cool and so nice. Like the I'm gonna call him breakfast guy. Sorry, I don't remember his name. And then the cleaning guy, they're so sweet.
Yeah, they're
And like
both.
they know you. You walk in like, oh hi.
And then we have Carlos's orchids.
Oh yeah.
But guys, this room is really nice too.
And it's right by the office.
Yes. All right.
Wow. Oh, yeah.